Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that previous months gold has closed with this long week monthly candle. Now if we analyze this candlestick pattern, we see that previous months gold had a massive drop followed by a pullback to the upside to this level, and we have seen that this month once the market opened, initial pullback, and then the prices started to drop again to create a new lower low. Now in that zone we see that the market has broken this support previously and has gone back up. Now we could see that gold is coming back down to test this monthly support level. If we consider for the price to come back around 50% of this monthly candle, which is an imbalance in that zone, we can expect gold at least to come back again to 1910 or even 1900 level before creating any bounce to the upside. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective as well, gold is showing bearish momentum. We have seen back to back 2 weeks of bullish move. After this strong downtrend from the weekly, from this level, a pullback, now we can expect another attempt from the seller on gold. Now if we take our Fibonacci from this high to the low, we see that gold has gone to 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is the golden ratio. And from that zone, we see that gold had a strong rejection currently. Now, with that rejection, what we can expect gold to come back down to this support level or even breaking this low. So there is a probability on the lower time frame for further drop on gold. Now, looking at daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, there was an inverted head and shoulder on the daily. Gold has broken out of this inverted head and shoulder, and from this level there was a rejection during the NFP that we have seen, where there is an imbalance in the market in this zone. As we see that this is an inverted head and shoulder on the daily. Break from this inverted head and shoulder, we can expect now a retest of this liquidity zone. This is the previous resistance here, support here. We can expect to be tested as a support, and from that zone we can expect gold to move to the upside to create a new higher high. So looking at further lower time frame to see how the market is evolving, we can see that in that zone back to back both sides there was a massive liquidity trigger, and from that zone we see that gold had a rejection. The previous session we saw a long week candle, a pullback of this move, and followed by we have seen a strong breakdown of this local support level, which is still maintaining a downtrending market structure on the lower time frame. Now if we look at for the lower time frame on the 15 minutes chart, we see that gold has formed a reversal pattern here, multiple times liquidity grab, and from that zone we see that there was a strong breakdown, leaving an important level of support here, which is turning resistance. So we can expect now gold to have a pullback with this candle close. If we see that gold has broken this structure again, has given us another entry opportunity along this zone, we will consider going short on gold with a high probability trade setup. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.